How we're going to do our blood testing kit for the synthetic blood typing. I've got my blood sample here. You can see I've got sample 1. And what I'm going to do in my tray is I'm going to place 1 drop of blood in each well of the tray. Okay, you only need 1 drop. Now I've got my anti-serums, and that's going to be these 3. So my first one is anti-A serum, and what this is going to do is test for A antigens in the blood sample that you've got in your well. This is an unknown blood sample, and we need to know what type it is. So I'm going to put 1 drop of the anti-A serum in the A well, and I'm going to use my blue stir, and I'm going to mix it up. Okay, and then for my B, I've got anti-B serum, and I'm going to add that to my B well, just 1 drop. Again, I'm going to stir it up. Okay, and then for my RH factor, I'm going to use the anti-D serum bottle. And this is going to test for the presence of the RH antigen in our blood type or our blood sample. Okay, so you're going to mix everything in really nicely, and you do need to let it sit for a minute or 2, especially that anti-D serum, to see if it's going to have a reaction. So it's always nice to go back and mix it up again to see. I can see with my A well, it's kind of separated around the edges, and that's a positive result for that anti-A serum. So what that means is that I've added anti-A antibodies to my blood sample. It has agglutinated with the A antigens that are present in the sample. If this blood has A antigens present, it means it is type A blood. And that's what we see here. Testing for B antigens, there's no reaction, there's no agglutination. So this blood sample does not have B antigens. And let's look at the RH factor. Oh, it's very clumpy, right? But we did have to give it a minute to sit. So this particular blood sample does have the RH antigen in it. So if it has the RH antigen, it is positive for the RH factor. So based on what we see here, this blood type is A positive. It has both the A antigen and the RH antigen.